Hello students, now we are going to start 7th part of class 8 science chapter 3, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. In this part we are going to learn what is polyester, what is its properties, its types and its uses. Let's start. Plastic. This word plastic comes from Greek word that is plastikos, means to form, and plastics are made from petroleum and natural gas. Also we can define plastic, that is plastic is a material that can be heated and molded so that it keeps its molded shape after it cools. When we heated plastic, that it molded any shapes after it cooling. And these plastic articles are available in different shapes and size. Example, in the market we use polythene bags, many types of polythenes, okay. Or what, plastic can be recycled, color, reused, molded or drawn into wares also, okay. And this plastic is used for making different materials like toys, suitcase, bags, brushes, chairs, table and many other countless items. You also already know, okay. Or what, plastic can takes place is occupied by metals, glass, cloth, paper, stone and wood. And this plastic have completely occupy our life because of their characteristics property. You know, any plastic materials are used in our daily life every day, okay, and it's most important role in our daily life. Next comes to properties of plastic. It is lightweight, means its weight is very light. It does not rust. It is easy to handle. It is reusable, means again we can reuse plastic, means polythene या फिर plastic bags, okay. It is non-reactive. It does not react another materials. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity, means heat and electricity does not passes through any plastic materials. And what is the examples of plastic? You already know that toys, okay, plastic chairs, valti means pot, every, okay, tables, suitcase, bras, bags, etc. It is the examples of plastics. Then comes to types of plastics. Generally plastics are two types. The first one is thermoplastics, second one is thermosetting plastic. In thermoplastic, the plastic which change their shape on heating and can't be bent easily are called thermoplastics. Means thermoplastics to plastic materials, it can't bend easily and it change their shape after heating. And what are the examples? Polythene, PVC, okay, these are examples of thermoplastics. Next comes to thermosetting plastics. The plastic which do not soften much on heating and can be molded only once are called thermosetting plastics. Means what are the examples of thermosetting plastics? It's bakelite and melamine. It is the examples of thermosetting plastics. Again I am saying this. The first one is thermoplastic, means plastic which are not heat resistant and get deformed easily on heating are called thermoplastics, and they are used for making toys, containers, and PVC, polythene, polystyrene are the examples of thermoplastic. Next comes to thermosetting plastic. The plastic which molded once can't be bent and deform on heating are called thermosetting plastics, and they are used to making switches, handles of utensils, floor tiles, etc. And what are the examples of thermosetting plastic? Is the bakelite and melamine, okay. It is the most important question of your exam. What? what is the difference between the thermosetting plastic and thermoplastics. Clear? You can see this the picture: toys, bottles, comb, container, polythene bags. It is all about examples of what? Thermoplastics. And you know, the polythene is one of the most famous types of plastic, which is used for what? Manufacturing, carrying bags and wrapping foods and the other eatables. And you can see this picture. This is PVC pipe. You know, polythene is one of the most famous plastic. Then in this picture, PVC is used as a insulating covering for electrical wiring and also used for making shoes and soles. And this is the examples of also it is thermoplastics. There is a PVC pipe. Okay. Here in this picture, many electrical instruments are present here. This is what? This is electric switch, handles of electrical appliance, handle of kitchen utensils. Okay, this is all about the examples of thermosetting plastics. Or what? This is the backlight. You know, backlight is also used in alternative fuels and jets. Means backlight where it is poor conductor of heat and electricity, and therefore it is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils and telephone cases. It is examples of thermosetting plastics. What is melamine? The melamine is the versatile material, resists fire and it can tolerate heat better than other plastics. Means melamine is a material which can resist fire and it tolerate heat better than plastic. So it is used for making kitchenware, floor tiles and fabric which resist fire. Means like computer and TV cabinets. Means it is the examples of thermosetting plastic. Clear, students? What are the examples of thermoplastics and what are the examples of thermosetting plastic? Next comes to uses of plastic. The first, it is used for in making bottles. Okay, it is used in making plastic toys also, and it is used for packaging many goods like containers. Okay, it's all about the plastic. Means what are the plastics, what is its property, what are the types and what are they. Okay, next last is uses.